What's up YouTube? Soren here and welcome to another warm-up video. Changing key signature in the middle of a song can be very difficult, and this is something a lot of quartets and choruses struggle with. This exercise is perfect for practicing changing key signatures, as well as practice singing some of the more modern chords that have gained popularity over the last few years in the barbershop scene. This warm-up exercise is something I picked up from Zero8, the Swedish barbershop chorus. Each time we sing through the exercise, we will modulate and change key one semitone higher. In this exercise, we'll start in the low to mid register on the vowel O. Then, as we go along, we'll change to A. So without further ado, let's listen to each part individually. So now that you know how the exercise works, it's time for you to choose. If you want to sing along with all 4 voices throughout the entire exercise, you can click right over here. If you want a more difficult version, you can click over here. Over here, I've removed your part, so it's basically like singing in a real-life quartet. I hope you have fun with this exercise, and let me know down below in the comments what you think of this exercise. See ya!